Hi, everybody. My name is Ryan Zins. I am the RFID product manager here at DLS. So I'm guessing you've heard a lot about RFID, and I'm also betting you want to sell it, but you might have some questions about where do you go find some opportunities in the various marketplaces out there. Well, today we're going to discuss a few of the ones where RFID is very present and growing, or where it is just getting a foothold and has a lot of potential. The first area of interest is the food supply chain. So while some of the largest players think McDonald's, Chipotle are implementing it currently, they're just scratching the surface of the overall industry. With an estimated 200 billion tags that are needed, the growth potential is massive in this area. The second market of interest is the transportation and logistics market. While UPS is already making the transition and FedEx is working on it as well, the benefits of near real-time visibility into a package's location are not lost on logistic companies, and it's a great opportunity for you to have a conversation with any clients of yours that may want to have real-time visibility as well. Third one is the one that most people are familiar with, the general retail market out there. Think of Walmart's push, that is where a lot of RFID's publicity comes from these days. And while it is the most mature market of RFID, it is by no means done. There's still quite a bit of potential in the area for items being tagged. If you think about it, even in like your general Walmart store today, some departments are very well tagged, have almost 100% tag rate, and there's others that have next to none. Uh, if you have clients that are looking or that are currently selling to any of the big box retailers, Walmart, Dick's, any of those types of large retail locations, if they aren't using RFID already, they're going to be soon, and it would be a very good place for you to have some conversations about RFID. A fourth arena, healthcare. Inventory tracking for a large hospital campus is a given. They're very interested in RFID from that standpoint. RFID can also be used to help with patient tracking and patient medical records. It's a pretty powerful tool in that regard. Another area inside healthcare would be pharmaceuticals. They are currently looking to use the technology, and they are getting ramped up, and they use it for a couple of reasons. Inventory tracking, obviously. Another real good one for them is batch and lot, or expiration dates. Real easy to track expiration dates on drugs using RFID. And a third one that is growing in popularity is RFID helps with their counterfeit problem. They can actually authenticate that a drug is their drug manufactured through their supply chain very easily with RFID, and obviously it's of quite a bit of interest to the large pharmaceutical companies out there. Some of the other markets to keep an eye on: automotive, aviation, beauty, and the apparel market. It is, again, very mature from an RFID standpoint, but that doesn't mean that the opportunities don't exist. There are more and more apparel companies that are looking to tag their items, and it's just a great opportunity for you.